Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have a 3-layer cake. It is Zone 5. Our first layer is our 5 routines, the number of grace. Our first routine is our morning routine. We do that first. It includes cleaning our toilet, wiping our sink, and emptying our dishwasher, but it mainly includes taking care of ourselves and making ourselves feel and look better. Once that is done, we're going to put our children through their morning routine, which includes, also making your bed, includes making their bed and cleaning the bathroom after themselves. Not any big deal. And then having breakfast as well and getting dressed. So once the morning routines are done, then you're going to go right into your laundry and an inch of paper if you're at home. If you are at work, you're going to do the laundry and the inch of paper when you get home. Those are 3 now done. The 4th one is the after dinner routine, which comes after dinner. And the 5th one is our before bed routine, which happens before you go to bed. Okay, our 5 routines happen every day and they make a huge difference in our life. I've told you a million times and I'll tell you again, until you get these routines down pat, don't even try to do anything else. Focus on it, purpose to do it, get it, and then you can go right into your, I would go into the basic weekly plan next. Even though I talk about it third in our 3-layer cake now, it's important. The bills need to be paid. The groceries need to be purchased. You need to have a menu to make a grocery list from. What else do we do? Oh, the weekly home blessing hour makes a huge difference in your house. And of course, your car and purse day, your family fun day, and your renew your spirit day. These are important things to do. You're probably doing them anyway. This way, though, you have a specific day to do it on. It becomes a habit. And then once you've got that down pat, then you can get into your zone. Even though zone is number 2 of our 3-layer cake, okay? And that's specifically cleaning one portion of your house for a whole week, a little bit a day. That's all it is. So don't jump around. Somebody asked me, I've got several questions on Payroll Fly Babies asking me on Saturday, if I decide to do my zones, do I just do like some in one and some in the other? No, you stick with the zone for the week. So this week, the zone is the living room. Okay, so we're going to go to zone, the second thing, which is our zone 5, the living room. We're doing this instead of the weekly, the basic weekly plan, because it keeps us at home. There are some things that require leaving, like errand day, that take us away. So we're going to stay home and get it done. Don't leave. Be tenacious. You're not going to leave. This is your job. You're going to get it done. This is if you're at home, Fly Babies, okay? So zone 5, the living room. It's only Thursday. Now we have 2 days left to work in our living room for this month. So Christmas is coming. You want to make it look spiffy. So don't knock yourself out and work for an hour in there, please. Just declutter for 15 minutes, but do it. Keep your feet in one place and move your hands. That's it. 15 minutes, throw away, put away, give away. You need to have containers. I'm not suggesting, I'm telling you, you need to have 3 containers labeled so you know what goes in which. Stand still and put stuff in there, making quick decisions. Give away is blessing someone else, taking the pressure off yourself, and getting these things out of your valuable real estate that really you're not using or enjoying or employing, okay? All right. So if you're past decluttering, you're going to work for 10 minutes on deep cleaning something in there. So take a look around if you haven't already done so and see what looks like it needs cleaning. Have you looked under the couch cushions lately? Have you pulled anything out from the wall to see what's back there? Have you vacuumed the corners? I know the weekly home blessing gets the middles, but what about the edges? So there's some things we can do. Look at that ceiling fan. Is it full of lint, dust, and spider webs? Let's get it. 10 minutes or less. Or less. You're just doing one thing. All right. So when you're done with zone 5, we're going to go on to our basic weekly plan. Today on Thursday, it is errand day. So you're going to go out of the house and you're going to take your grocery list and go. Either you've got a pickup service like I prefer. I'm going to go drive there, tell them I'm coming, get there, they bring it, put it in my car. They're so wonderful. I have such great customer service and I get such great produce picked for me. I think they are extra careful when they're picking for someone else. I really enjoy it, and rarely do I have any disappointments. And sometimes I have disappointments when I buy my own groceries. I'll pick up the one that has sugar instead of sugar-free because somebody put it in the wrong place, or the full fat, or whatever. So I make mistakes, and they don't make mistakes. They just make substitutions if you allow. at least where I go, Walmart. Okay, so pick your groceries up or go buy them if that's what you have to do. And then run all your other little errands. Do you need to pick up some presents? Do you need to go mail something at FedEx or UPS? Are there some things you need to take care of? Whatever it is, do you need to go by Goodwill? What's in the trunk? Oops, let's go there too. Put it on your plan. Plan it out so that groceries are last and then you come home, okay? All right, so that's all you're doing today. Now, enjoy the rest of your day. If you are a payroll fly baby, you're going to maybe order your groceries to be picked up by yourself or someone else later this week. Maybe you're going to get them on Saturday, or maybe you can pick them up on your way home from work. Usually, however, if you're ordering your groceries today, you're not picking them up today. It's not the norm. So if you're ordering them today, you're going to have to pick them up another day or have someone else pick them up. Or you could delegate by giving a teenager who's capable your grocery list to go buy the groceries. Or if you're getting off early, maybe you're a teacher, a preschool teacher or something, and you get off early, go buy your groceries. You can do this. When you get home, you're going to start your laundry like always. Go through an inch of paper if you still have paper clutter. I haven't had paper clutter for years. That's going to be you. All right, as long as you declutter every day, go through that mail, go through those kids' things that come in. Make sure you're decluttering. Don't bring in clutter. All right. So you're going to get that done. You're going to start supper. You're going to inspect what you expect. Maybe you've delegated a weekly home blessing hour item, or you've told the children to put their shoes in the closet. Don't give them too many things to do. Don't say clean your room. It's too big. Just give them one thing to do. All right, so inspect what you expect. Do a quick clutter check to keep the house clutter-free. Remember, 3 clutter checks a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. So this is afternoon. And then go ahead and work on your zone. And if you have something else you have to do, do that. But just remember, we're doing no more than 15 minutes. And the only 2 things you have are weekly home blessing, possibly the weekly home blessing hour if you're doing it yourself, and the zone. That's it. All right. So I hope this is helpful. After dinner, of course, the after dinner routine, before bed, the before bed routine. Ta-da! Don't forget to check your planner. Always remember to check your planner, and have a fabulous day. And always remember that you are beautiful.